Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by checking the rack rating and the tent weight. This prevents overload. Once done, clear the roof and bring the folded tent and ladder to the vehicle. Make sure you park on level ground and set the parking brake. This stabilizes the base. Now, loosen the mounting clamps just enough to slide the tent into the crossbars, align it with the roof center, and hand tighten each clamp to hold position before fully securing. You unfold the tent by releasing the primary latches and lifting the top panel. If it's heavy, have a partner assist to avoid strain. Once open, align the bottom rail and lock the retaining clips, then tighten bolts in a star pattern so load is even across all mounts. Next, extend the ladder fully and lock the hinge points. Position the ladder base on firm ground and test it gently to confirm the tent sits square and supports weight properly. You finish by securing the ladder to the tent with the supplied tie or strap, then fit the rainfly and run all zipper seals to reduce drafts. Next, stake guy lines at a 45-degree angle and adjust tension to handle wind. This stabilizes the structure. Test entry and walk around to inspect all mounts. If the tent feels wobbly, recheck rack clamp torque and use compatible foot pads or shims. That single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.